What in the world is going on here? Doesn't this remind you of Spider-Man? Did you know that slugs could suspend from their slime like spiders? I'm just now becoming aware of this. Let's watch and see if this slug will suspend from its own slime.
Go.
The slug literally just dropped. Straight up suspended to the ground like Spider-Man. He landed on his back. Now it's twisting around. Well, now we know. Slugs can suspend from their own slime. I know. That's fascinating. Thanks for watching. This is Dr. Schroomer's. Till next time, stay mindful, stay aware, stay cultivating. If you want to see more interesting facts about slugs and learn more, keep watching. Stay tuned. And if you haven't already, go check out some other videos.